When we're traveling, most of us still want to feel stylish and chic no matter where we're going. So this video shares the 9 tips to elevate your travel style. So when you're getting ready to pack, when you're thinking about the place you're going and what you're going to be doing, I find a really helpful way to start to choose the pieces from your wardrobe that you're going to wear and want to bring on your vacation is by using a standing rack. A standing rack is an easy way to start to pull pieces from your closet that you're thinking about, maybe bringing, and to start to pull together some looks. Having a standing rack is a great way to reevaluate your clothes, to go through your pieces, especially if you find that you have a lot of clothes or you don't have a lot of room to play with in your closet. Having that separate rack that you can put pieces on and style looks for your trip can be really helpful. The next thing you want to think about is bringing layers. When I'm talking about layers, I'm really talking about outer layers and over layers and also base layers. So some outer layers or some over layers can be a leather jacket, a denim jacket, a coat, could be a cardigan or a duster, but something that you're going to wear over a top or a base layer. And then you want to also think about bringing base layers. So some base layers are things that you can put other items on. So this can be a tank top, it could be a t-shirt, a fitted top, something that you can wear easily on its own, but then if you wanted to create more looks, you can easily do so by putting another layering piece on top. And layers are a great way when you're traveling somewhere and maybe the weather is fluctuating or you're not even sure what the weather is. Packing both base layers and outer layers, it can really make sure that weather is not going to be any kind of hindrance to having a great time on your vacation. And layers also help create so many more outfits. So when you can wear something underneath a cardigan or a jacket, or you can wear it on its own, it'll create so many more options. And even when it's an outer layer, if you're putting on a leather jacket over a dress, it will create a different look than if you wore that dress on its own or say with a cardigan. So when you want to pack light and use only a carry-on, packing layers can help you create so many more outfits, even if you're only bringing enough to fit in a carry-on. And the next way you want to elevate your travel style is by having stylish luggage. Like my carry-on suitcase in this beautiful blush color from Level 8. So if you're not familiar with Level 8, Level 8 is a New York City luggage company. They make these beautiful, chic, modern suitcases. Since I prefer traveling with the carry-on, I just like the ease of getting on and off. I like knowing that my items are going to stay with me and I'm not going to lose them if my luggage gets lost. So for me, having a carry-on in a color that I love and that actually I have a lot of in my wardrobe is such an easy way to travel and still feel chic. And if blush isn't your color, this exact bag also comes in black, gray, green, and navy. So for me, if I wasn't going to do the blush, navy would have definitely been my backup color. And I think having a stylish piece of luggage elevates your travel. I also love how lightweight this bag is. It easily comes on and off, whether I'm taking it if I'm traveling on a subway or on a bus or a plane. Wherever I'm going, it's really easy to lift by myself. And I also love that it has 360-degree spinner wheels. It's also a hard shell, so it protects your items if you are traveling by plane and you're gonna put your suitcase in the overhead bin. It definitely helps protect the items that are inside. There are 2 main compartments. It's helpful that on one side, there's 2 smaller zippered pockets and they're mesh lined so you can see what you've put inside without having to open your full bag. And the main compartments are lined and they're pretty spacious. I can fit everything I need for my trips. And on the other side, it has a mesh divider, which is super helpful when you're trying to find something that you've packed and you're not exactly sure which side you've packed it on, which has happened to me many times. And through October 11th, Level 8 is having a 20% sale going on right now site-wide. So if you are looking to elevate your travel style, I definitely suggest looking at their beautiful bags. It's an easy way to elevate your vacation style. The next thing I recommend is bringing an elevated bag that you can easily use for daytime. You can use it for your casual looks, but it puts a whole outfit together. but it also works for the evening looks. And for me, I prefer to have a cross-body style. So if I'm walking around during the day, if I'm sightseeing, if I'm going in and out of shops or museums or wherever I'm going, I don't have to think about putting my bag down or remembering if I picked it up. I might be distracted by everything I'm seeing if I'm visiting a new place. And this bag for me, this is my Saint Laurent crossbody bag. I've had this for years. It's a great bag that I can use for daytime to elevate my looks, and it also works for evening outfits as well. So having that elevated bag that you love that can work from day to night is a must when you're traveling. I know sometimes when we're traveling and we're going maybe to a new place, or it's somewhere that we have, maybe it's Paris or Italy or Greece, somewhere that maybe we've fantasized about, and we might be tempted to bring items that are more statement pieces or items that our fantasy self might be more prone to wearing versus our real self. And while I think it's okay to play with some of these items, you don't want to pack a suitcase full of fantasy self pieces because you're probably not going to end up wearing them on vacation. You still want to feel like you. You still want the pieces that you're bringing to be comfortable, to work with your personal style, to work with your lifestyle. So if you're traveling with kids, you still want to be realistic. So you want to think about when you are packing and you want to just bring a carry-on, think about prioritizing the pieces that are for your actual life and for your actual personal style and who you are today. Now, if you're traveling somewhere where the evenings are cooler or it's colder weather, think about bringing some kind of outerwear, whether this is a leather jacket or a denim jacket, or if it's even colder, something like a wool jacket. This piece can easily put together a look very simply. So even if you have a pair of jeans on, a pair of chic sneakers, and a t-shirt, the second you put that outer layer on, it's going to completely change the feel of your outfit and instantly elevate it. So when you're packing your outerwear, if you're going somewhere colder, think of it as a piece that's going to be something you're probably going to end up wearing a lot, and that it can really complete your look. So pay attention to what you pack. Have it be in a color that you love that works with the other colors or patterns that you're bringing, and something that you're comfortable in, but that you also feel really stylish in. The next thing you want to make sure to bring is a chic pair of sunglasses. Sunglasses are that easy thing you can throw on in the morning, even if you didn't have time or didn't want to put makeup on that day. You can put on your sunglasses, put on your outfit and your crossbody bag and your jacket, and you're instantly chic, put together, and polished. So bringing a pair of sunglasses, not only are they practical, especially if it's sunny where you're going, or even overcast. I like to wear my sunglasses sometime when it's overcast, but sunglasses are an instant way to elevate a look. And also think about bringing some of your jewelry. I wear all my jewelry on the plane that I'm bringing with me when I travel. That way I know it's safe, it's on me, and because my jewelry is more simple, it's something that I can layer together, I can put pieces on, I could wear earrings, necklaces, and my bracelets. Everything's pretty minimal and simple. I can wear them all together. So these simple things that either take up very little space in your luggage, or it's something you can wear on the plane or in the car wherever you're traveling, is an easy way to add a little bit of something to your outfits. And when you're packing and you want to look stylish, and maybe you're going somewhere where you know you're going to be doing a lot of sightseeing or walking, then you want to make sure you're bringing a pair of comfortable shoes. But ideally, you want it to be a pair of shoes that are comfortable, but that are also stylish and can help really pull an outfit together. So for me, I almost never travel without a pair of chic trainers like these. I love wearing these with the skirt. I love wearing them with jeans. I love wearing them with the dress, and they're super comfortable. So even if I'm walking, if I'm out exploring a new place, I can easily wear these all day. Now, if sneakers don't feel like your style, something else you might want to think about is sandals if you're traveling somewhere warm. Getting a pair of sandals that are comfortable, but that are also really stylish will help put together a look. And if you're going somewhere colder, boots are a great alternative for colder weather, whether it's ankle boots or a tall boot. But again, you want to make sure it's comfortable. So that's probably going to be a flat boot, but a flat boot that is stylish can instantly add some polish and elevate your travel style. So I hope this video was helpful for 9 tips to elevate your travel style, and make sure to check out the 20% site-wide promotion going on right now from level 8 going on through October 11th. I'll also put the link down in the description box so you can check them out there. And if you are traveling somewhere soon, let me know down in the comments where you're going. So thanks for watching and thanks for being here. I will see you all next week.